Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to see any hidden information on Facebook Marketplace using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com. And now just go ahead and log in your account. And after you've done that, you want to click here at the see all at the left side of your screen, and you want to scroll down until you see the shopping section and click on Marketplace. So now just go ahead and choose any item on this section. So I'm just gonna do this. And now I want you to do is to click on the URL and erase the www, sorry, and change it with M. Okay, so now click on enter. And now you should see all of the hidden information on this page. Okay, and that is how you see any hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.